Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. I have a casual and colorful tablescape set for us today. I call this my Moroccan Summer tablescape. I'm using brightly patterned dishes with sunflower accents. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a royal blue tablecloth, and I'm going to pair with it my faux wood chargers. The dishes have sort of a Moroccan pattern to them. They make me think of Moroccan tile. They're very colorful. I picked these up at Goodwill. And I also have the salad plates. And each one of the salad plates is trimmed in a different color. This is the yellow, there's a blue, a green, a red. I have the bread and butter plate. As you can see, it's trimmed in the blue. I'm using my red-handled flatware today. And for the glasses, I have a sunflower pattern. I've got the iced tea and the juice glass. I'm going to be using green dinner napkins with sunflower napkin rings that I whipped up myself. For my centerpiece today, I've used fresh sunflowers. And underneath there are bright blooms. I've just tucked in some hostas just to kind of give a little bit of green. And I've put the arrangement in a woven wicker, I suppose this is a vase. There are handles on either side. And it's not intended for fresh flowers, but what I did, I put a glass cylinder vase down inside of it so that I could use it for flowers. I have another one that's similar, that's a little bit larger, and I thought it would make a unique container. At this end of the table, I have a striped pitcher. I picked that up at Goodwill, I believe. Most of the items on this table today are Goodwill finds, thrift store finds, or markdowns. Now, like I said earlier, the dishes, they make me think of Moroccan tiles. You guys know I love color, and so when I spotted these at Goodwill, I made a beeline for them, and I thought they were so pretty. And as you can see, the plates are trimmed in the different colors. Some yellow candles. These are Pioneer Woman. I got these at Walmart marked down on clearance. And along the center of the table, I also have these little sunflower bowls. I picked these up at the Dollar General store a few years back. Here's a little happy sunflower teapot. At this corner, I have a colorful little caddy. It has salt and pepper shakers and 2 cruets, and they're in different stripe patterns. I picked this up at Goodwill also. put out a couple of my red Mosier cake stands. My little sunflower napkin rings, I just took a little heavy rope and made a loop and hot glued a couple of little sunflower blooms onto each one. It's just a simple little way to make a napkin ring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.